Staring at a massive dental bill can make just about anything look like a good idea, even ordering a new set of teeth from a random website. That is exactly where these budget removable denture kits come into play. They promise a custom fit without the $1,000 price tag of a professional clinic. You get a box in the mail. You bite into some putty. You send it off and wait for your new smile to arrive in a padded envelope. It sounds like a dream for anyone on a tight budget. But the reality is far more complicated than the glossy ads lead you to believe. These products occupy a strange gray area in the market. They are not a total scam because a physical product actually shows up at your door. Some people even report that they work well enough for basic photos or light snacking. However, the gap between a medical-grade prosthetic and a piece of mail-order plastic is massive. When you visit a real dentist, they take multiple impressions. They check your bite alignment. They look for pressure points that could cause painful sores on your gums. An online kit skips all of those crucial steps. You are basically gambling with your own mouth. If your hand slips while you are making that mold at home, the final product is going to be useless. There is no professional there to tell you that you did it wrong until you try to put the finished piece in your mouth and realize it does not fit. This is the biggest red flag with these services. The precision required for something you wear all day is extreme. Even a millimeter of error can cause constant headaches or gum irritation. Many users find themselves stuck with a piece of plastic that looks like a toy and feels like a rock. The marketing often uses words like custom and professional, but the execution frequently falls into the category of low-quality dropshipping. You might get lucky and find a seller who actually cares about the lab work, or you might end up with a piece of poorly trimmed resin that smells like a chemical factory. Customer support is another huge gamble. In a clinic, you can walk back in for an adjustment. With an online seller, you might be shouting into a void if the teeth do not fit. They have your money, and you have a piece of plastic that you cannot even chew a soft piece of bread with. It is essentially a risky budget alternative for people who are truly desperate. If you only need something for a quick photo, maybe it works. But for daily life, these kits are a massive compromise. You have to ask yourself if the savings are worth the potential pain. A real denture is a tool for living, not just a cosmetic prop. These online versions often forget that distinction. They focus on the look while ignoring the actual mechanical function of your jaw. It is a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for. If the price seems too good to be true, there is usually a very uncomfortable reason for that. You are not just paying for plastic when you see a dentist. You are paying for the expertise that ensures you can actually eat and speak without pain. These kits offer the plastic without the peace of mind. It is a roll of the dice every single time you hit that checkout button. Every seller in this space claims to be a legitimate dental lab service, but the consistency just is not there. You might see a 5-star review next to a 1-star horror story, and that is because the quality control is all over the place. Without a professional looking at your actual mouth, the chances of a perfect fit are slim to none. You are essentially paying to be your own dental technician, which is a job most of us are not qualified to do. It is a high-stakes experiment with your own comfort and health. The allure of the low price is strong, but the hidden costs of discomfort and frustration are even stronger. You deserve a solution that actually improves your life instead of adding another frustration to your day. Thinking about your long-term health is always better than a quick fix that might fail you.